It's my doo-doo plane. Robert, how much time you got left? Okay.
Someone needs to make a good version of
I'm hoping that the plane coming out from motion is going to be that.
Oh, free wing?
Yeah.
Flight line, yeah.
Somebody's going to look in there and go, who's bringing James? No, I'm just throwing that shit away so my wife doesn't.
We should have gone taken off.
Huh?
We should have taken off. All right. That landing gear on that plane just cracks me up.
Yeah,
It's, but the thing flies surprisingly good.
Is it? Yeah, they just
It does it again every time.
Is that how the real F-22 gears?
No,
Because they come out the side like
it
that.
comes out like that. I mean, it comes down like this.
I may
It
have
goes
to
in like that. Down like this.
Under the wing?
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Takeoff flaps.
Yes. No, it was cool. I'm like, hey, this thing's cool going fast. I'm kidding. Tell me when you're ready.
China cleared.
You ready? Let's just go full bore on this. Okay, we don't need to ramp up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa!
What was
What the hell was that?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
I had to get up and out of your way.
Dude, it just like...
It rolled over. I think you hit a rotor. You hit a thermal or a rotor.
Yeah. Alright.
I do. I burned up the slipper plug, so I got my cigar.
Still got it. You're flying.
Yeah, you're good. Go.
I'm busy soldering speakers.
Nice.
There you go. You're undeterred. I know.
Oh, you got the afterburner. That's
Right.
good.
Too slow. Let's go fast. Still do our same pass. I'll let you turn so we can catch each other. Go. I'll be closest to us. Oh shit! You took off.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Look at that. Look at that. Just gonna do a fast one down the runway.
30 seconds.
Going up.
Ten,
He
nine,
comes with a case of glue.
8,
The action.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
too.
That thing flies really
It's
good.
falling though.
I think it's 6S.
Oh.
Should probably come in here pretty soon. Okay.
Landing!
Robert. I almost took him out.
Near ground.
Okay, landing from the left. You'll be in by the time I'm back. You might.
1 minute.
Because they do that. You'll get a spider in your coat or something and not realize it.
Takeoff flap. Landing
All the
flap.
way to the right.
Okay.
Flaps up.
Probably a sea. I bet you it was a spider. That was cool.
Yeah, that was.
Other than that, your takeoff was crazy. It wasn't you. It was something.
I was just caught off guard and I was like,
Oh.
oh, crap! Dude, I was like sideways.
You were upside down.